Hey everybody, what's happening? Son of a silver stacker here. In today's numismatic news and information, we've got some bullion information actually. A lot of stuff's been happening in the gold and silver markets. Obviously, we know that the price of silver has moved from, what was it, $12 in March, now up to almost $30 here in mid-August, right? So that's quite a jump, right? Almost three times. It's coming up on three times. If it's 36, it'll definitely be up there. And then gold is rallying tremendously. It's above 2,000. We did a video about the gold to silver ratio. And right after we did that video, it just popped. It just started moving. That was 4 weeks ago. It was a month ago. At least the gold to silver ratio was near 100 to 1. It's not that now, but let's go ahead and look at this information from Kitco. Came out yesterday, and it says that gold, silver, and platinum explode. Now, I can appreciate Bubba Horowitz's sentiment there, but I think one of those three has not exploded, and I'm going to go into a little bit of detail about that in this video because it's kind of struck me as odd because it's well, let me just read it, okay? And this is under commentaries and views, and we all have that, right? We all have views, and this is all opinion stuff. So, let's take it for whatever it is they're saying here. So let me go ahead and read this. The rally in metals has been phenomenal, truly. There appears to be no stopping the rally. However, this is starting to look like a blow-off pattern, which could bring in some swift, hard selling, right? We all think that, at any minute this thing could go right back down to where, under $1,000 for gold and under $12 for silver, right? I mean, we all have that fear. But we know that there will be a pullback, right? Some profit taking, that's what that's called. And from where is the only question left, right? Where are they going to take that profit taking? Gold remains very bullish, and a sell-off would be a buying opportunity. Okay, so if gold goes to $1,500, $1,200, they're thinking probably buying opportunity, or anywhere under 2,000, right? All markets at times need to have selling pressure to maintain the current pattern of a bull market. We remain long gold, but we'll wait for a sell-off, which will be determined how far this rally really runs from here. It hasn't been a sell-off yet, but there could be, right? There could be. Silver is even stronger than gold from where it has come from. The story in silver would be the same, waiting for a pullback to add on. I don't know. Maybe, maybe not. Who knows? I think it's up to the individual person. But here's where the conflicting or confounding stuff from the article's title. It says here, platinum is just nearing a bull market, but will take work to confirm. We are long and we will stay there, but no, it is not as strong as gold and silver yet. So it really hasn't popped at all, actually. So gold, silver, and platinum exploding. It's kind of a misnomer. Here it is right here. This is the gold. Look at that. It's all over the $2,000 map, right? And I'm going to go to the historical charts for gold and silver and platinum, especially platinum versus gold. And this is from July 10, 2019, so it's a year and a month old, but I think that the sentiment remains the same, right? So let me go ahead and elaborate here. So these guys have a scale. They're saying that platinum is definitely worth more than gold in that regard. Okay, platinum has not been this cheap versus gold since 1907 AD. In other words, in over 110 years. Make that 111 now, right? Or 113 is old. How old is this? 19? And 1907? Okay, well, that's fine. In other words, in over 110 years, we have not seen platinum value slump this far versus gold. Here at SD Bullion, we have covered platinum fundamental investment factors, as well as information about supply-demand factors at play today. South Africa is the major miner of platinum ore in the world, accounting for about 70% of all new platinum annually. I think they got the market cornered, right? I think if any company had 70% of anything, they would consider it almost a monopoly. But given that we often have bullion sales on platinum coins and platinum bars, we believe now is a valuable time to point out platinum's historic undervaluation versus gold prices ongoing. Right? Check out this following long-term monthly price chart comparing platinum prices versus gold prices in dollars since the late 1800s. Right? So this is a dollar amount here, right? Dollar amount here, dollar amount here. This gold is in gold and platinum is in platinum, right? And this is the timeline, right? 1890 to 2010, and this is about 2019 right here. We see the gold line's pretty flat here, right? Until about 1933. Something happened in 1933. They confiscated all the gold. Thank you for nothing. And then time went on, and then bam, Nixon did something fantastic in 1973. Oh, great. So, and that really just decoupled gold. And it just, obviously, ever since that happened, it's just, kind of been on its own, and it wasn't coupled with our money anymore. But the point here is look at platinum, right? Up until about 1910, platinum was a winner over gold. And then it's been a 1-to-1 ratio. And then it's above, and it's, nice and healthy. Still above, and then we're here at about a 1-1 ratio. A little bit above, bam, bam. And now we're getting here, it's a 1-1 ratio. And then in here, gold is going up. We know it's at 2,000, and we know that platinum is under 1,000. So it's definitely not following its historical 1-to-1 or above ratio, right? So we'll get into that in a minute here. This is the gold platinum ratio, 120-year highs. So these are just ratios, right? Half, 1, 1.5, so on. Now we have platinum versus gold values. And it's the same thing. But this is more recent from 1970 till 2020. And this is what we're looking at here. Look at this. The bright idea, right? What's going on here? Gold, platinum. So we think that there's going to be a slingshot effect, if you will. And the United States Mint does sell American Eagle Platinum Bullion coins. And I did look these up on eBay, right? So you can buy these. They're, $1,495. Not that I can afford it or anything, but maybe one day I can. But I thought this was really cool. In 2018, they have the Platinum Proof coin for life. And then they go for 2019, the Liberty. And then 2020 is the Life, Liberty, and Happiness, right? The American motto, American creed. I thought that was really cool. But like I said, I looked these up on eBay, and you can actually get them. What? Wait. How much was that? $14.95 West Point Mint. Is this from the West Point Mint? I don't even know. Let me check that out because, that's really interesting. Yeah, it's from the West Point Mint. It's $14.45. So it looks like they're selling less than what they bought them on. Unless I'm just missing something completely. I thought that was really interesting. Please, somebody straighten me out because I don't even know what I'm thinking here. It's selling for less than what they bought it for. And, if this chart is correct and these people are right, let me go ahead and read what's under these charts. So I read that one to you. As you can see, the chart above, platinum was worth more than gold for the vast majority of the 20th century, right? We talked about that. It was not until the global financial crisis of 2008 that gold prices began to overtake platinum prices in terms of overall. Now fully fiat US dollar valuations, right? That was post 71. The value of gold in terms of current fiat dollars versus platinum prices is now at 120-year highs. While this overshoot of the more than a century-long ratio median and mean could go on for longer, see, that's all technical mumbo-jumbo, ultimately we know there is way less physical platinum, right? That's the whole point of this. There's less physical platinum available in the world than gold. In the next commodity bull market, that's what we're in now actually, we expect platinum, right, would likely outperform gold for a short sprint back towards the historical average of its long-term ratio, back towards 1-to-1 parity at the very least, which it's not right now because it's probably a 2-to-1, right? With the following chart, we will further examine gold prices throughout the post-71. Yeah, so I think that's all I have for you here today. You know what? Let me see if I can go current. Look at this, 986 for platinum, 2066 for gold. So they're thinking this is going to be at least a 1-to-1 parity with gold. And if that's the case, you're going to make 1,100, right? Double. Wow. Anywho, thanks for watching, folks. Appreciate you dropping by. Don't forget to hit the like button and please share it. And I want to let you know I got the Gmail address, son of a silver stacker at the Gmail. And we have a Twitter account of Stacker at Twitter, and all that good stuff. Also, if you like what you hear and see, if you're new, subscribe to the channel. It's free. Son of a silver stacker. Over and out. Have a great day.